Shubor Snem jong unong san Hima.
Kasorkar jala kalarai benum Pynkut ya Jingrakhe dap South Snem kan National Education Policy haka arpu pratarik menta ubnai naitung arja arpusau namar kahap haka Sngi Blei Henry ya Jingrakhe Pynkut en penlong haka la Sngi Blei kata haka arpu kanai tarik unaitung arja arpusau karkum ke jing betha kabala penmi dak Shlem terikam ke State Education Mission Authority jong ke jala menda Sngi ka arpu lai tarik naitung arja arpusau laong bakat kum ketanat puli puthi ke sorkar pedeng kala pentip baga Jingrakhe ke shiksha sapta kabade ke Jingrakhe shapang ke jingdap South Snem ke National Education Policy arja arpo ya baro ke school enam penong haka arpu pra tarik unaitung kumbala penbena menshwa Henry en Pynkut bet haka arpu khanai tarik naitung arja arpasau nakaliang menteri ketanat puli puthi ke jela urakam e sang maru ula pensyaya kani kat kumbala penmi ya kani ke jing betha
6 hafta, that is Education Week. Minister of Education Government of India, which is supposed to celebrate the 4th year of NEP 2022 in India. So it is supposed to celebrate from 22nd of July to 28th. So in the state of Meghalaya, we have begins its program from yesterday, that is on 22nd of July, and it will continue till 28th of July 2024. Since the last day, this 28th falls a Sunday, the day of Christ Resurrection Day for us, for the Christian community. So in the state of Meghalaya, instead of Sunday, we will observe and celebrate on Monday, that is 29th of July 2024. This is to inform to everyone of the state, to all the education institutions, that the Education Week, it is a 6th September. Instead of 28th July, we will celebrate this on 29th July, that is on Monday.